Hello, my name is Alessia. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we upload a new video every week. We do it every Friday. My goal is to help you understand and speak English fluently. I love it or I'm loving it. Which one is correct? Well, grammatically, it is not correct to say I'm loving it, even though you've heard that expression in one of the commercials. The correct answer is I love it. Love is a stative verb, and we never use love with ing ending. And let's discuss it today. Let's discuss the verbs with no ing endings. In English, there are some verbs that we call state or stative verbs, or non-action or non-continuous verbs. And these verbs are not used in continuous tenses. It means we never add ing ending to these verbs. Speaking about stative verbs, sometimes it is a black and white case. It means that we know for sure that we never add the ing ending, like I know and never I'm knowing. I understand and never I am understanding. But sometimes it's not so obvious, like I agree or I'm agreeing. Let's discuss it in details. Let me give you the rule. When a verb describes a state or a feeling, we never use it in continuous tense if it is a non-action verb. For example, the verb play is an active verb and we can use ing. I play every day, or I am playing right now. This is a list of verbs that we cannot use in progressive forms. It means we can never add ing. So they are believe, hate, hear, know, love, need, prefer, understand, and want. So even if you are talking about something that is happening at the moment, right now, you should say, I understand, I believe, or I like. But there are some verbs that we can use as an action verb and as a non-action verb. And let's discuss them together. They are smell, have, taste, think. These verbs can be used in progressive forms. It means with ing ending, or as stative verbs. I have a book. I'm having a good time. The first sentence, when I say I have, and when I mean I own something, and this is my possession, this is a stative verb, and I cannot say I'm having a pen. I have a pen. I have a phone. I have a house, I have a car. But when I say I'm having breakfast or I'm having lunch, I'm having a good time, in this case, I express an action and I can say I am having. Look, the book looks interesting. In this sentence, there is no action, and we can even substitute looks with is. So we cannot use look in this sentence in present progressive tense. We say the book looks interesting. I'm looking at the book. And in this sentence there is an action. What am I doing? I am looking at the book. So we use the present progressive tense and we add the ing ending. I'm looking at the book. Think. I think grammar is fun. In this sentence, I express my opinion. And there is a rule when you express your opinion or you hear somebody's opinion, we should say, I think, he thinks, we think, and we don't add the ing ending. But I can ask you a question. What are you doing? And you answer, I'm thinking. In this sentence, think is an action verb. You are doing something. You can add ing and use the verb think in present progressive form. I'm thinking. He is thinking. We are thinking. How do you feel? How are you feeling? I feel tired or I'm feeling tired. In these two sentences, you can use feel or feeling, and the meaning will be the same. There is no difference. From English grammar books, we know that agree is a stative verb. We cannot add the ing ending. But sometimes I hear people say, I'm agreeing with you. And this is not a mistake. I mean, this is not really common to hear it, but it's possible to say that. And remember, we never use the ing ending with these verbs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click those subscribe and like buttons. Hope to see you soon.